Well, he was last in news for his dented painted comment, and now President Pranab Mukherjee's son Abhijit Mukherjee is facing a tough challenge this election. He won in 2012 the by-election there by a slender margin of just over 2,000 votes. This time equations are different as it's a four-way fight for the first time.
We are here in Jangipur seat, which is going to see a very difficult battle this time around with President Pranab Mukherjee's son, Abhijit Mukherjee, who is the incumbent here, and he is going to face a very difficult battle, a four-pronged fight. How difficult is it going to be, sir, this time around?
It's difficult, no doubt. And main competitor is CPIM. And there are two other parties also. One is also National Party, BJP, but doesn't have any much presence here. They have pocket votes. And obviously Trinamool, the ruling Trinamool, who was in alliance with Congress, is no more with us. They are also competing with us.
Yes.
But they don't have much base here.
So you're hoping to get, the votes on the goodwill that your father has garnered in 2004 and 2009?
Not only goodwill of that good job done by this earlier MP, but Congress organization is very strong here. People are Congress-minded. So that is why I am confident, and that was reflected in last Panchayat election, as I told.
Most people say that there is a Modi wave this time around in the country. Do you think it will play some role here in Murshidabad, which has a Muslim majority population?
As BJP is no more a factor here, but Modi factor is still there. But I don't think so much influence Modi has here in Jangipur.
But how confident are you this time that the Congress will be able to retain all these 5 seats?
Yes, I am 100% confident. All 5 seats will be retained by Congress only.
And one last...
Moreover, Madam Gandhi is very lucky for me. First time when I contested in 2011, she came there in the scorching sun. She waited for almost 45 minutes in Nalhati, in Birbhum.
Yes.
I have won there first time after 44 years in the good margin of 15,160 votes.
But are you missing your dad somehow? Because he has left politics. He is now the President of India. Are you missing him during the campaign trail?
Obviously, as a father, I am missing him. But he directly, indirectly, he cannot be drawn in political arena.
That's true.
So, anyway.
But what is the message from him? I'm sure you talk to him, you speak to him. He also...
No political message.
Why?
No political message. Only fatherly message, take plenty of water. That's all.
So there you have it, Abhijit Mukherjee, very confident, saying that Pranab Mukherjee, being the father, will definitely give him messages. But as far as his candidature goes, he is confident that Sonia Gandhi coming down and campaigning for him is definitely going to give him that extra mileage. With camera person Chitrabhanu Pathak Indrajit for Headlines Today in Jangipur, Murshidabad.